pwede niyo po bang i-confirm kung nandito pa po ba sa Pilipinas si Pastor Apollo Quiboloy?
Based on the records of the Bureau of Immigration, he's in the country, ma'am, right now.
Comsec, may imbitasyon po bang ipinadala kay Quiboloy dito sa hearing natin?
Yes, Madam Chair, we sent two letters actually. The one is through LBC and the other is through registered mail with return card.
At ano po yung naging resulta nung dalawang pagpapadala natin ng imbitasyon?
Well, actually, there's no response on that letter, but he sent his representative, Attorney Balayan.
And the chair would appreciate if you could advise your client that we will be sending a third
We will do that,
invitation to
Madam
him for
Chair.
the next
We
hearing.
will certainly.
Salamat po.
Thank you very much.
Maraming salamat po. The chair will move to subpoena Apollo Quiboloy for the next hearing of this committee. So I will, dahil nakapagpadala po ng imbitasyon, dalawang imbitasyon, one by LBC and one by registered mail, pero walang sagot at attendance ni Pastor Quiboloy, the chair will move to subpoena Apollo Quiboloy for the next hearing of this committee. At gaya ng nabanggit ko kanina, and the COMSEC has taken note of this, the committee will issue an invitation to Jacqueline Roy, and additionally, based sa mga testimonya ni na Alias Amanda, Alias Jerome at Miss Arlene, gayon din particular kina Ingrid Canada at saka Alain Balmes. Mga imbitasyon din po sa kanila sa ating susunod na pagdinig. A quick question though, since we're talking about the absence of Mr. Quiboloy in this hearing. Quick question po sa Bureau of Immigration natin. So, Attorney Tansinko, Commissioner, pwede niyo po bang i-confirm kung nandito pa po ba sa Pilipinas si Pastor Apollo Quiboloy?
Based on the records of the Bureau of Immigration, he's in the country, ma'am, right now.
All right, so he is in the country officially as stated by the PI, so walang dapat sigurong dahilan na hindi na nila mapaunlakan ang hindi lang pangalawa pero pangatlong imbitasyon ng komiteng ito sa susunod na hearing. Salamat po, Commissioner Tansinko.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay, if I could move on now to the Department of Justice, will it be Attorney Mary Grace? Thank you, ma'am. I'd just like to quickly ask the department first, because I remember working closely with the DOJ on the case in Socorro at saka iba pang, no, dumadami ng mga inquiry ng komiteng ito tungkol sa human trafficking cases. Narinig niyo po yung testimony ni Miss Amanda. So assuming no, na yung kanyang material statements ay totoo, sang-ayon po ba ang DOJ sa chair na these fulfill the elements of human trafficking? May menor de edad na recruited, may menor de edad na maintained, even groomed as we would say, tapos exploited sexually. So human trafficking na po ba ang nako-constitute nito?
Good morning, Madam Chair. First of all, Madam Chair, I would like to make a clarification first. I am not a prosecutor, so I would not be very familiar in assessing the case. On its face, Madam Chair, based on the definition of trafficking in persons, the allegations might fall under Section 4, but it would still depend on further evaluation by our prosecutors, Madam Chair.
Fair enough. Senior State Counsel Mary Grace, it would require further evaluation, but the chair notes that the opinion expressed by DOJ so far in this hearing is that on its face, the allegations may fall under Section 4 of the Expanded Anti-Trafficking in Persons Act. Right. So to just follow up on the point raised by Senior State Counsel Quintana, for the record, trafficking, according to the law in force in even in 2014, is to recruit, obtain, hire, provide, offer, transport, transfer, maintain, harbor, or receive a person by any means for purposes of, among others, sexual exploitation. So, tama po, no? Human trafficking po ito. In fact, would this not be, no? If pending further evaluation, would this not be qualified trafficking in persons?
Madam Chair, under Section 6 of the law, one of the grounds there for to be qualified as trafficking is when the minors are when the victim is a minor.
Thank you for noting that, Senior State Counsel Quintana, dahil yun na nga po yung nasa testimonya halimbawa ni Elias Amanda na menor de edad pa lang sila noon at nakakita pa siya ng ibang mga menor de edad kabilang ng mga close-in pastoral. So it is in fact a very important point that the committee will ascertain in our committee report.